Welcome back to another video. Today, as we approach the Tallahassee Depot, Florida Gulf and Atlantic Railway, TA East, is loading up to go eastbound towards Lake City, Florida. Today, Florida Gulf and Atlantic Railway has selected their two SD70 M-2s to take their freight east. Now, Florida Gulf has officially built their train and now is ready to depart. Florida Gulf will now enter a series of railroad crossings as they exit the downtown Tallahassee area. As they exit the area of downtown, the chase will now begin. As we head out early to Tom Brown Park, we begin to set up our equipment to see the train. After a few hours of listening to our scanner, it eventually comes to life, and now we officially have a train on the way. At 12:04 p.m., the train has now arrived and the gates activate. We quickly gather our things and hit the interstate to chase the train east to Greenville, Florida. We have now officially made it to Greenville, Florida, where these two train tracks meet to form a diamond. And there he goes, off to Lake City, Florida. We have now successfully chased the TA East up to Greenville, Florida. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.